Hey everyone, welcome to Computer Minute. Today we're going to talk about contacts, how to create, edit, and manage them between different devices. Let's get started. So as you can see, for the sake of tutorial, I actually deleted my contacts because I want to show you how to create and manage and sync them. And so if you want to create a contact, a new one, you can simply click on plus, which is in the top right corner. And there you go. This is how you edit. You can add the pictures, first, last name, phone number, email, and all the details. Now if you want to open our contacts on your Mac computer, you can simply type address book and you're going to open it. And as you can see, I have 0 contacts as well. Okay, now this diagram can help us understand how automatic syncing works. Now before, if we had to exchange any data between iPhone to iPhone or iPhone to computer or computer between the computer, we would have to do everything manually, and we still can do this. And the way you do it manually is where you insert a memory card or DVD burner to a computer. New computers don't have DVD burners anymore, so it would have to be external hard drive or USB, right? You insert it to computer, save information to that memory stick, take that memory stick to another computer or device, plug it in, and that's how information is being transferred from one device to another one manually. Now with the iCloud, you don't have to do any of that stuff. So if you make a change in your contact, in your address book, in your iPhone, that iPhone will automatically update iCloud server, and iCloud server will automatically update other devices if there are any that is connected to the same iCloud account. For example, if you have a Gmail, for example, you have a simple Gmail account, as long as you make a change on any of the devices that are connected to the same Gmail account, that change will automatically reflect on other devices because iCloud recognizes the change and automatically, updates other devices if there are any. Okay, so in order for you guys to enable iCloud or Gmail, you simply have to go to your settings. On your settings, click on this very first option on your name, and it says Apple ID, iCloud, iTunes. And then, as you can see, one of the options is actually iCloud. And then iCloud enable your contacts, okay? And it says what would you like to do with your existing local contacts on your phone. I will say merge, but before I will do this, I will show you how it gets done. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna launch Google, and I'm gonna simply say iCloud, and I'm going to sign in to the iCloud. Okay, so I am inside my iCloud. Okay, just to be clear, at this left side, you see a screenshot on my phone, and at the right side, you see the iCloud, and I got here by going iCloud.com and logging in with my credential. Here we go. So if I click contact, now at the left side, I have this additional option that's called groups, and if I click on it, you can see I have iCloud. I put a check mark to make sure I'm synced, and if I create a contact, and I'm gonna call it 1, look, iCloud almost immediately updated this. Now here in iCloud, I'm going to click new contact, and I'm going to click 2. Okay, I'm going to click done, and look, I'm going to go back, and there's number 2. In fact, I'm going to create a third contact. I'm going to say 3. I'm going to click done, and look, pretty much instantly iPhone updated as well. So it is extremely convenient to have iCloud that will actually sync contacts between phone and iCloud. And if I actually have my MacBook, I can actually connect to the iCloud as well. And I'm gonna do this right now by clicking accounts. I'm gonna click iCloud, and I'm going to enable contacts. As soon as I did that, all of my contacts are updated as well. So this screen, it is actually software or application that is installed inside my Mac. This is the actual iCloud.com server website, and this is my iPhone. Okay, and as you can see, everything is sync. So if I were to go back and edit this contact, I'm gonna click on 3, click on edit, and I'm gonna say 33, click done, and look, it's just updated. And on my phone, I can actually click on 2, click edit, say 22, click done, and that's it. 22 is updated. Okay, and then on my computer, I could click on 1, click edit, click edit right here, 1, click done, and a few seconds later iCloud updated this as well. Now you can sync your contact either using iCloud, which is provided by Apple, or you can use it Google. The reason why I like to have my contact sync with Google, because I like to write emails using Gmail all the time. So for me personally, it's more convenient. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to create the contact, you simply have to log into your Gmail account, click on this little triangle at the top left corner, and choose contacts. Okay, and once you do that, this is where you can add another contact to your system using actual server, gmail.com. You can click plus at bottom right corner and create another contact. For me, for this demonstration, I'm just gonna have ABCD. Okay, and as again right now, if I click on contacts on my phone, as you can see, this address book and that's on my Gmail is not synced with my phone. Okay, so all I have to do to make sure my phone is synced with my Gmail contacts is click on settings, scroll down until you see accounts and passwords, click on this option, and then this is where you store all your accounts. If you don't have any, simply click on add account right here, and then you can add iCloud, Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, or Outlook.com, and then it gives you option to other. It means if you have a business email and it has custom settings, that's where you want to click. Okay, now for this tutorial, I'm just gonna click on Computer Minute, and I'm going to enable contact syncing. Okay, and then I'm gonna close out of this app, go to my contacts, and look, everything is updated. A, B, C, D, everything is updated in my contacts. Alright, I want to show you a couple more things. Look, right now I just went ahead and changed my ABC contacts to A/Gmail, B/Gmail, and C/Gmail, so I added them. But if I look at my iPhone, they're not, this change haven't reflected yet. And I noticed that with the iCloud, change gets done pretty much instantly. With Gmail, a little slower. So I'm gonna drag my screen on iPhone, and I'm gonna refresh it. And as long as I did it, look, this is it. Now, if you want to physically export or save your contacts via different formats, on the iCloud, it allows you to export contacts with the format called vCard. You just have to select your first contact, click Shift, and click with your last contact. For me, it's 3 of them, so they're all selected. Click at the left bottom icon, it's a settings, and then when you click it, there's a whole bunch of options. You have to choose the one that says export vCard, and when you do this, for me it actually saved them right here. I can click on this search icon, and I can see that my contacts in a vCard, they've been downloaded to my download folders. I can drag them to desktop, and here they are. Okay, and in fact I can physically go to Gmail and I can import them. I'm gonna click on more. I'm gonna click on import. I'm gonna click on CSV or vcard. Okay, and it says that this preview Google Contact doesn't support importing from a contact file yet. To import from a contact file, you have to use old version. I'm gonna click yes for that, and I'm gonna go again, import contacts, choose file. This is manual, you don't have to do it, but I'm just showing you different options. And then I'm gonna choose this contact, click import, and look, I just imported physically, manually, contacts that were created in iCloud, and I imported them to your Gmail. And if I want to export all of the Gmail and contacts and iCloud physically, I can just simply click on all of them, click more, export, and it gives me different options now. Do I want to export them using Google account format, Outlook format, or Apple at vcard, Outlook CSV, or Google CSV? Click export. They went again, I believe they went to download folders. There they are, Google CSV, and that's it. And I can drag him to desktop, and now I have contacts manually. I just saved them manually to my desktop. Alright guys, at the end I want to show you something very important. When I had my phone, my settings were wrong, and by wrong I mean when I created a new contact on my phone, this was my old settings, and I clicked on plus, they were not stored on my Gmail. Even though I was synced with Gmail, they were only stored on my phone. So my phone had more contacts than my Gmail, and I had a little mess. I didn't understand why. So here's the solution. You really have to go to settings. Okay, let me go to the top. So once you go to the settings, scroll down until you see contacts, and here it says default account. Okay, this is where you set where do you want new contacts to be stored. Okay, for me right now I have two options, iCloud and Computer Minute, which is my Gmail. Okay, if I click on iCloud, every time I create a new contact in my phone, is going to be stored in iCloud only. If I click on Computer Minute, this is where the new contact is going to be stored. Okay, and for me the settings were wrong before. That's why I was confused. Okay guys, if you have any questions, comment below and I hope I can answer them. Also, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I apologize that it's a little long, but I wanted to take my time and kind of show you all 3 steps, how to manually import, export, how does the iCloud work, and the last tip, I hope you find it very important too, especially where your new contact will be stored. Okay guys, if you enjoyed it, if it's beneficial to you, please click a like. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.